Hey guys, I'm trying to make these angel wings, and I was searching a lot online, I was googling a lot, and I eventually found a blueprint that was, well, it looked really good, but when I built them they just didn't work. They wouldn't open and close, and yeah, anyway, so I made these from, seeing pictures of other people's work, and I derived from it, and I made a small model, just a few inches, and after testing it I found out that it would eventually work, so I made this in full scale. Now, I first made a model with 10mm aluminum bars, and it actually broke. They were too weak. So this is 20mm aluminum, and that's 0.79 inches if you're, using the weird system. And so now I'm gluing on some feathers here. But anyway, I'm gonna make a blueprint of this, and I'm gonna place it in the description down below so you can just open it like a picture or something. And of course this whiteboard will be changed for another one later on, and there will be padding and backpack straps and all that crap. This is a linear actuator. It's 12 volts. I found this on AliExpress. This can move 10 centimeters or 4 inches, and it's kind of slow. It's 40 millimeters per second, and you can find way faster ones, but anyway, this is what I had at home. So as you can see here, there are bolts in here that actually pushes on these two up and down. Now it's not hooked up at the moment, but I'm gonna show you how it moves later on. So this is just a piece of steel that's I think it's 25 by 25 or an inch, and it's bolted to the linear actuator, and then there are bolts going into these. These are not attached, they're just pushing and pulling, because the distance between these two varies from the top to the bottom. This moves 10 centimeters when it's moving, so to speak. So the wings are folded right now, but when you unfold them they become really wide. I think with the feathers and everything it will be 5 meters across, so that's a lot. And of course on the blueprint you will get the measurements for everything, but bear in mind I'm 6'8", so I'm 204 centimeters. So if you're a regular sized person, you can scale this down by say 10%, 20%, and just make it fit to you. I mean, this board is sized like my back, so if you're smaller than me, just make it smaller. And I don't think you should use anything less than 20mm aluminum bars, because they won't stand up to the stress. I mean, the feathers are foam, but they still weigh something, and with a little wind and stuff. I used nuts and bolts here. These are M6, so 6 millimeters, and the bolts and the nuts are locking nuts, so they won't come loose. And yeah, that's just the initial show and tell. So I'm gonna put up the blueprint, and I'm also gonna show you a clip of them moving. And yeah, as I progress and make more feathers and make them look prettier, I'm gonna make more videos, so stay tuned and there will be more.